Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Tecumseh pull starter is probably one of the most important components of your small engine equipment, ensuring easy starting and reliable performance, and today we are diving deep into what makes a great pull starter assembly, covering everything from its construction and key features to installation and troubleshooting tips, so you can get your equipment running smoothly again. Number 5. AUTOKAY 590749 Recoil Starter. This high-quality recoil starter is built to last. It's the perfect replacement for your worn-out part, ensuring your engine starts smoothly every time. Designed for a quick and easy installation process. You'll be back up and running in no time at all. It fits a wide range of Tecumseh engines, from 5.5 HP to 10 HP. Check the part numbers to confirm compatibility with your model. This starter is compatible with Tecumseh models HM100, HMSK80, HMSK85, HMSK90, HMSK100, HMSK105, HMSK110, LH318, LH358, OH195, OH318, OH55, OHM90, and TVM220. Ensure your model is listed before purchasing. Your purchase includes one recoil pull starter, exactly as pictured. Everything you need for a simple replacement is included in the box. Get reliable starts every time with this durable and dependable recoil starter. It's built to withstand the rigors of regular use. What we like. It boasts broad compatibility with numerous Tecumseh engine models. Installation is a breeze, saving you time and effort. If you need a reliable, long-lasting replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Numerous mounting holes allows to match up with your existing machine's mounting positions. Easy to install and looks to be moderately well built. Perfect fit for my yard machine tiller. Existing unit just pops off with 4 nuts, 3/8 on my unit I think, pop new unit on in same orientation, pull cord in the top right, with same 4 nuts, done in 5 minutes. Pulled once successfully before putting snow blower away for the season. Number 4. Dalom Recoil Starter Assembly. Introducing the Dalom Recoil Starter Assembly, a reliable replacement part for your Tecumseh engine. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. This part is compatible with a wide range of Tecumseh engines, including the HM80, HM100, and various OHH and TVM models. Check your engine's model number to ensure compatibility. It's a direct replacement for several common Tecumseh part numbers, making it a convenient and straightforward solution for your repair needs. Specifically designed for Tecumseh engines ranging from 5.5 to 10 horsepower, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal functionality. Before ordering, please double-check your engine's model number and existing part numbers to guarantee a proper fit. This will prevent any unnecessary returns or delays. What we like. This is a perfect fit for May 5th, 10 HP Tecumseh engines. It replaces several part numbers, offering great value. If you're on a budget and need a reliable replacement for your Tecumseh engine, this is a great option. What people say. Easy install, no hazels, fits perfectly. Exact fit on my Troy-built tiller. This fit right onto my Coleman PowerMate 5010 horsepower with Tecumseh engine. Perfect fit. Bolted right on. Got it started. It's made of metal. Number 3. Tecumseh Recoil Pull Starter. This is the solution for your Tecumseh engine. It's a reliable replacement part, ensuring your equipment starts smoothly. It fits a range of Tecumseh engines from 5.5 HP to 10 HP. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. This pull starter is designed for easy installation, getting your equipment up and running quickly. It's a direct replacement for several Tecumseh part numbers, providing a reliable and durable solution. You'll receive one recoil pull starter, everything you need for a successful repair. We offer a carefree return policy and a 90-day money-back guarantee. It also comes with a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. To avoid delays, please double-check your engine's model and part numbers before ordering. This ensures a perfect fit. What we like. It's compatible with a wide range of Tecumseh part numbers, simplifying your search. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. If you value convenience and peace of mind, with a warranty, this is a smart choice. What people say. The pull start fit my 10 horsepower Tecumseh engine perfectly and works great. This was a perfect fit made for my Tecumseh go-kart engine. Very durable. Seems to be well enough made and fit my Tecumseh HH 5 horsepower on my chipper perfect. Number 2. Keenso Tecumseh Pull Starter. This pull starter assembly is designed for simple installation. The pull string retracts smoothly for convenient use. It's made from durable, high-premium plastic and metal. This ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear. It's compatible with a range of engines, including LV195EA, LEV80, LEV115, and LEV120 models. This makes it a versatile replacement part. Enjoy quiet and reliable performance with this pull starter. It's rigorously tested to ensure stability and durability. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer returns, replacements, or refunds. This starter is a direct replacement for OEM part numbers 590702, 590739, and 590637. It's a perfect fit for your engine. What we like. This pull starter ensures quiet operation and smooth performance. It's constructed from high-quality materials for lasting durability. If you prioritize a quiet and effortless starting experience, this is the ideal option. What people say. Fit 2008 Lawn Boy Insignia. Easy install, perfect fit. I liked the perfect fit for a 4.5 horsepower Craftsman mower. Number 1. Hipa 590739 Recoil Starter. This recoil starter is designed to make your lawn mower repair easier. It's compatible with a wide range of Tecumseh and Toro models, so you'll find the right fit for your machine. Before ordering, please verify your engine's model and part numbers to ensure a perfect match. This will prevent unnecessary returns and exchanges. It's a direct replacement for several Tecumseh part numbers, including 590472, 5904766, 590621, and many more. Check the full list to confirm compatibility. This part works with various Tecumseh models like AV520, AV600, LEV80, and many others, as well as Toro models such as 10500, 16077, and more. Check the full list to see if it fits your mower. We've improved it. The pull cord is now an extended 210 cm, 6.89 feet, for easier starting. The package includes one recoil starter ready for installation. This is a straightforward replacement part. Simply install it and get your lawn mower running smoothly again. What we like. It features an extra long pull cord for easier starting. This part works with a wide variety of Tecumseh and other brand engines and lawn mowers. If you need a convenient and versatile pull starter, this is the one for you. What people say. Replaced existing recoil starter that was slow and not returning after pulled. Works as expected after 1 month in use. Fit just right. The 590739 recoil assembly was a great replacement for the 590743. I had to enlarge the holes for the outer mounting bolt hole. Everything worked just fine for my Toro CCR Powerlight 16 3.25 horsepower snow thrower. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.